Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding your property in Street View and confirming the exact frame that shows your house. Once done, sign into the Google account you want associated with the request so you can track it later. Make sure you clearly identify the building and any distinguishable features. This helps Google approve the edit. Now prepare to submit a privacy report. Select the menu or three dots and choose Report a Problem to open the blur request form. You now see the report form where you mark the area to blur, drag and resize the preview box until the house, entrance, or any sensitive detail is fully covered. Explain why you want the blur. Mention privacy, safety, or safety of occupants, and include your email for status updates. Double-check that the box doesn't crop neighboring properties unintentionally. Once satisfied, hit Submit. Google will acknowledge receipt and queue the request for review, which usually takes several days. After submitting, watch your inbox for a confirmation message that includes the reference ID. Keep it handy for follow-up. Revisit the same Street View link after a few days to verify the blur was applied. If you don't see the change after a week, make sure you view the exact imagery and not a cached version, clear cache, or use an incognito window. If still unresolved, resubmit with a clearer reason and reference ID, or escalate via Google support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.